for share video na go to honorable Kennedy Japan akompreko papa wana roma wudi honorable ne dikan no onuonyamfo wote ase yi pa nim sede esene fata se fre onuonyamfo de Bishop Dr. Daniel Obini the bajo a bishop ya obi anim se Ghana ha woye odifo nyankopon sofo ya sese kura de nyankopon aye angel the bajo wudi no wote ase de abenti na momma ya so enkwa didi coronavirus mra ahokere yade ani ohia no kro Ghana fo mini ase me ba be favor bia nemom me ba be sane nchemfrum na makanya nhirewam na madoso brebum na matimo bonyono sede be ya wode bo ha no bo obohyew no so a wo behu ekuro no ba bia wode kwa akomia Bishop Dr. Daniel Obini na semu ibae wode onamo Kennedy Japan menkabi no obi tinje ose na bakifa adenti na asemu ibae wo mfa wano ntumu wani tu aseseme enum kankan ne sekurenya asem akaka ne dansini asem se ba na se ebobo ba ye tena se ne yahwe analysis a ebebo a emma nkoye te se sebe mpreduasa ya to anasa wo yobi a wefo nemo asem no betimi agwaye ni mu na obi anfo so waye no waye den waka kire no de dikan na campaign no bibia sesia Bishop Dr. Daniel Obini me penasem etiano ne se mehiri kwam na maba be ka bia ma no lenso hwe de enti ama me ka bi for the meantime de enti ama ndi kan ye de am be ka bi no wo de for the meantime
me mpe be bia ntokwa ni de ni ye wo like sa ho ne binti mi mu bio eti me try say me nkola na mudi machi nso me yefu mu se munyai atemdidi na no ya no ebi mafa this week kwa de me say da gina all the branch can say wa wo pen tokwa bia na wo patem didi ntokwa bia na wo nya waje so be sesa e ma ha bio kosofo pen tokwa so no
Bishop Obini me wo ensem makonum ya me no ba be di hu nkomo na ebi enso eye afutuo ena ebi nso ye asembisa said you be see afa no bia no me sorry nanso se wunya motere na wa ma akoko ankosoro se ebi a me ye wakwada ketekete bi enti ubetie mi a ebi a ebeboa wo na aboa wo daache me bisa wo se ore fi sansem we ya wo kan ye no enti America honorable Kennedy Japan ebeka se wo si wo coronavirus edro ya me na namba ka fa media dance say you have never said it in any video na e video wa ya asema ye dia to so wo defend wo ho ena obi twa mu di beto so won kan o ba bia ena on the whole honorable minister etina the platform kese so e kadidi wa temchire wiase afa na nyina sa America na wo de ba reply 10 no say o pese wo ne wo start beef na dia na wo mfanye no waka wasem de edikan de to so de ese ampa honorable Kennedy Japan waka wasem ama bre bi me kura mpo no ma ba be kasa wo ho da me ba to ase ma be kasa wo ho da na sa America na wo di America wo ba ye no na asikire de sei sa America na wo di a wo ba ye no na eho no meti wase yi a na ete se obi a wote ho na wo twa se wonye obi hwe a ombeka na onhwe wusuban na de ampai ni pakora den aba beka wo sa America na wo di ba ye no Bishop Obini sa na ase den ekire di sa America na wo di ba ye no ene wo video wo a won sema waka ama Ghana fo nyina ate na wo san ye sofo na wo di Kristo ekire a Yesu Kristo sebe previous e gu na ni mu ase na eso ewi a kire Nyankopon di nkunimdi abotre share no sa America na wo di ba ye no man ti ase senti e wo di sa America no den e ba ye efisa asem na honorable minister no eye Kennedy Japan de to so no na eye asem a eye fake so ajase enti to confirm say asem no ye fake no nka betimi enya nice approach na waka say honorable minister baby a wonemu sebe wo ye pani chen me na enka wo say wo no TV station ya maybe susu say me obi ni susu so omoye on professionals no enka wo no omoye mu investigation yi me nka sa wo baby a nti wona bo da roma ye investigation yi na sa be samiti na wagumani ma se kwa wadi matam kwa ka Kennedy Japan baby obeda bia no nka obehu se de osika se kukuku no sebe previous nyansani aka sa akere no but ankoba ne say minim say na bishop obi ni o hwe kwan ya sofo bi a na asem ma edimi ntimo didi asem ba otimi bedi obi atem kankan ne yonko asofo obi no atem kasa ne boso ma ne hoto no minim say na ho na bishop obi ni madua koto a ma no yes a na minim na ka hunu sa de ma ya wo ye no kwaku fa nye yi bishop obi ni wo enya de agana fo enim wo sa ho enti se America na wo de bae no adenti na wo de America bae ena honorable Kennedy Ejapong wono so be attack from another angle enye baabia na odi free ba no meba ne so nti ma na nya na dwe so ofa ne ho adi na bishop obi ni mi bisa wo say kwan be na ofa so ofa odwuma yefo de nti a me bisa se kwan be na ofa so ofa odwuma yefo ne say omo mu yi woman nyina ye nkrofo a efiri wo ankasa wadwuma ma watete aduane ahye ma no da nti kwan be na afa so a wo fa wadwuma yefo omo be wo nyina no they bow to your anointing omo ntimi nka no kra ntro sa na mehu enti rather asem na obi pese wo ye ma hu se wono na obo bata bi kura na wo ye de oku di obeka ye fa na menya sure so obi atimi atwewano a wo fam se da bi papa asem ba bi e kono so de kosi e bedi fo timi sro retracted menya sure you need a bold people nipa omutimi ka no kra kirew no watimi ade a survive de wo ye no bishop obi ni de nti a me bisa wo se kwan be na wo fa so fa wadwuma yefo no eye se one kasa information woni won koda no tanyina kwa abonten na de ma me hunu se information na koda no tanyina kwa abonten ye se abrantie na honorable Kennedy Ejapong se waware ne yira wawu made no aha sa abrantie wi onu wo betena TV station bra bishop obi ni mo ba camera ni ma betete ntasuo in front of the camera ebe confirm ye say woni ejadu eko honorable Kennedy Ejapong ho efi say omo hwe hit information na eba no na eyemuam ho nipa ene de ko nti okaya later ena host no pastors bi ma no mo te wona Kevin nyina ho e kan say dabi wo kan say obi be ka say news no mo de kwae no na ye genuine but na ye fake news. Of course we have good listening ears. Honorable Kennedy Ejapong nsem bebre wo a o de to so a me ni mo nsem no ma minim se o tan wo no de to so because odi kan be kan wo enti odi kan be kan wo no oni asem bi enti no so ohuru wo nkoda na o gite information and o de to so but e bi so ye no kore according to boy no nanum asem o be kan the TV station no nti bishop obinim kwan ya ofa so for adwuma yefo se wunya second chance I will advise you not to be cheap menfa obi a ofo menfa humobro enfa obi adwuma na mo mfa nipa na ni ate oni nyansa na ni mu odu obi a ni bere ma bia ni bere sika sa nipa na enfa no mbobra nti eho no eye futu a me de be ma wo afai bishop obinim na me pese mi bisa se what na sia bisa ho question se me kwajo obi ni adenti na da biye ni payi mi ma what na sia bisa ho sa question no adenti na da biye ni payi mi ma eye because se wo de nipa o mo ye bonuafo nko na wusia o mo ana se wuti na nya wiase se wo de wunsia bonuafo nko ana se wo de nipa no na ma wotwini di said your boy because say what did he car advert to TV so also better car man but one time man no until now 50,000 Ghana cedis go din wa oh yeah no what did and I say chese o ma woni o musia no say dia na ekoso wa bisa wo sa question we nyina so wa bisa wo sa question we nyina na wudi bim e wo mu dia metu fo say wadu e fo nyina sake o mo na fa foforo na pa mo mu odu because this time pra ye nya sorry nti enu se asore mbra no na ka wonya genuine workers na no masan if you say wunnim ni pati and sama honorable Kennedy Ejapong eyi ba no e kire se if you wu ankasa wo ko to dwem and some no bebre e fake e bi so ye no kore enti bishop obinim afutu a me de ebe ma wo eno no Now let's move on. Honorable Kennedy Japan. Ni host no ADD obi atem say we a blogger we twa the video so e dia cassette ya na yi na dwuma. Muntie onu akasa nunu masem.
Some of the bloggers most mutitete wa obi ya program abre ya ho ye program o. Na wo wa befa program no. Utwa program no ho bi. Na wo de akoye o program e de gidom de giska o YouTube. Uwia na wo ba be di program no mpenimfo no ne ade producers na wo be di o matem. Ye de strong warning ene ye de ma Musa ne pani bi. Abrantie bi a wo Italy e fraud de be ya. Upon Francis we a blogger. Ya ma 48 hours e brana be a retracting apologize. And you may be a waba be your social media. Seriously speaking, we are not taking it light. Me Kweku Ametiha personally, I'll do everything on behalf of my own self.
Okay, Mr. Host. Mr. Host. Me ba cho me bisa wo. Wo ade bia Honorable Kennedy Japan. E betena so a. Na wo te ne nchen. Enu no di nkomo. E kire nsem akese. E bie nsem so. Wodi watem a wo se yes amasa. O kan de anya kura na wo support. Me ba cho wo so you professional. From what grounds? We are professional, Honorable Kennedy Japan, but not to the noble Ghanaians. Who host we are Obiako Media, winning the echo. You have the full video. Yeah, Obini Mucha advert. Actually, say he never said in any video and in at any place say on your day also coronavirus and true. And that Obi can finish it to heavy. Say or the babe. Penny D ewo internet fake news efa Bishop Obinimo Honorable Kennedy Japan ebe kan asem we ewo net 2 no o tenase eye wuti dundon wantimi and prove honorable say honorable Roma eno de ye obi e de be ka sa video no so e de begu obi ni manim ase odo coronavirus no o katinye nenso wan kasa o coronavirus eduro rather na all defend it and na obi betwa mfini. Into what kind of professional are you? Netu workers. You are working for somebody or ye millionaire. Eti Ghana for esure so meka no kra kire no. Although oni nsem no wo wa or the bar a year and what the whole nation. But I'm telling you, more workers na gugu no nyina no. Wa fam sesa be nantwie because he can even insult you live on the TV. Eti Mr. Host, we are unprofessional. I am proving it to you. What kind of professional are you? A presenter are you? From where? And yet, Netua, why never for a Juma? This is a pa or fa obia Juma or control Mr. What said the Honorable Kennedy Japan. You are unprofessional. Let's come to the second video. We video be a Obinim said a man for Enfa Akwada Moja Akwada Morane Saniamano. Sa video no ye video a na Bishop Obini e kire kwan a awkward for e fa so ye omoniema so what I say kwan a awkward for e fa so ye omoniema e na o kire se de enti a o ma loto number no awkward for no nyina de sika e na twe amanfo fi so mo wa adwin bi se ewiase bu ha o mo di o mo de wa ha enti o mo mfa heaven ho enti so no obi nim o ma wusika no se preach heaven chile wa enu ne bema wadwe akonyankopon asem so enu ti na o chele to number no whether the lotto number is from God or is from evil na obi nim or emphasizing the entire o ma lotto number but obi nim enyina ba bia enka se obi anfa oba wo de mrada but a whole honorable minister any the panel amosimotimi expose announce you were able to come out with this fake news, defend it as if say a genuine, just to scam the noble Ghanaians on winning the echo e will be him. It will be him. Said information what they buy in the writer. Honorable Kennedy Japan. Honorable Kennedy Japan. May put in to you straight to say. When they will panel no, you knew very well, say, and some of the buy ya ma obi ni mbufu kane no. Na ye nsama ni nyina ye fake. Enti na se say de e wo se mo to che na dwuma ye fo na o magya ye dwuma na omo bram information de wom ne de anim na mo di go bishop obi ni anim ase asem ni nyina no na mo di go bishop obi ni n'anim ase asem ni nyina no eti wo host na wo gina ho a wo attack Graham say wo twa wo video so e di disprove de waye no me pa cha wo ankasa no wo ye obi a chese ke o se etwukura twa wo chimba efi se ne se bishop obi ni ensema bay ni Kennedy Japan se mu wo na wo ye unprofessional na wo te wa ye risika to wa dwenti adwenu de wutim ten wuntimi fa ndehwe na honorable Kennedy Japan what information but na wunim se information no eye fake na nye genuine na wo still wo defending nti so obi so de bije wa mensu nti honorable Kennedy Japan wada roma honorable o video na de ba de sa video mienu no eye fake videos o video na de ba ye no boni a obi ni ma ye a ewom wadi kan ya ba be kan one listing the case said you will list the case no the meaning say wona wo kwa na court na wa judge asem no honorable according to wo fight na wo fight no so wo fight ama Ghana gina ye fa hodi a don't go to Obinim's personal life what it is so the fie okodunso aduare ye we mu we don't need it the hia ne boni obi ni maye kona ko jail no said ye wo kan no the enti ameka sa ne say wo de emma Obinim ahie omo ebi adwaman ye wabo say ye no kure say ye no kure eno nko ade anka Ghana I'm telling you point blank say ye ni sofo e wo Ghana I'm telling you ye ni sofo Ghana ha and of course kwaya Kennedy Japan attack Obinim no pastor should praise him because angle no fiba no it is only the deep thinkers and the behu baby a fiba so what I say it honorable Kennedy Japan wada Roma one sem na wo de to Obinim so no nyina no mimi say dia ya me hwe ya me hinu mu twe me e ya akoda na o torture no and of course explanation Obinim de brave no and Thomasun so what I say so obi a me do me mind na metena se so for me kan kire me say ye di amanfo ba asore ma me bu omo because of say ye pesa akora no kan okre and of course also say Holy Spirit na lead you into no me share video no no I never like the video so what I say but apart from that no akwai to say obi ni medware kora na dia ba mountain we don't need it so what I say honorable Kennedy Japan wada Roma kwa be na afaso attack asofo kwa be na pese wo faso edi magana fo hu se asofo edada yi eni se wo attack Emmanuel Badukobi asofo yi because he was insulting another and we expose you the oya enye nyine wo sa ban sa kom eti if Badukobi was evil na sa wo ye bonsam na odi Ghana nya nanka wo ka bi ema na nado ana che say you support that man where the answer pefe say you are not exposing Reverend Owusu-Bempah because Reverend Owusu-Bempah as you know was a very evil man but rather or supporting your government anything that we expose you no honorable Kennedy Japan you are making a big mistake go redeploy and come again me say you are attacking Badukobi because he insulted Nanado. Let me give you my back record. I never spared Badukobi. Brother Odi Nanado at him. I have videos. And every Ghanaian will name me no. Will name. That's what we are making. And I never spared Reverend Owusu-Bempah when he attacked this man, the former president, John Dramani Mahama. I have a video. And no natural, so we a genuine person. Now, Honorable Kennedy Japan, I am proving it to you, say, you are genuine in favor of your own selfish interests. You are not genuine to some reasonable Ghanaians who thinks deep. Argentina make us say, you are now attacking Bishop Obinim because you came out with a news or information that he never said it anywhere. Ena obini ebe kaseti yawo. Because you are in government, you have the power, and you know, say, you have the money to fight him, and you have some influence, you have a big platform. And who forget it, kwanya wo fa so didi obi ni matem. Any said here, what the asem to the so asem on kan edited video, and I would digina so. Ena wodi beti obi ni matem egu ni ho fia te so obi ni ya monsama ni su wiase bi mada obi ni atem na wodi no nti if you are telling me say you are exposing or they say fake prophets or whatsoever and I say o ma ususu so mo de o mo nye papa na kwan wey and what say first expose you according to our information no woni masofo mo ye killers ewo mayimu woni masofo mo ye mafias ewo mayimu but you never in a video say wo baba beka omo ho asem all because they have not come to your lane. But in your honorable minister who every platform to stand up and say Ghana for mama yen sorry na ene asofo omo yisu adusie ne scammers edge omeya boso ona mo kere de Japan wo hwe Ghana TV station die wo ya we say e wom say na na grada anom binum wo ho e wo previous government no bleso nenso wo wa ban so na na do bleso yi scammers adoso wo TV station so ye ma lotto numbers ye isika physical send the mobile money na men send you back. They have every platform in Ghana here. No more here, Juma. And you know all the platforms they are using. I mean the TV stations. The government is taking money from the TV stations. The government is rather scamming people. Because Omeno, Omampeni Omrebia said what they close down all these people. Said the Nano Kase Yadano. The Honorable Kennedy Japan. If you want to be genuine, but you see a come and putting justice at hand, and was social media there, the patron team, what the Otahuru, and now what Fred Bishop Obini, the former workers, and the good animasi. I'm telling you point blank. What I say? A good animasi because you came out with a fake news on him, he came to defend, and you think, say, well, you're pastor, no, and when you're entitled to do so many things. It's what by Medina Terno when Miana Noa, you take that advantage to rather expose him. Now, Kata wo Diana Woody candy buy ya, a ye fake and I know we video, Obinim said, or Jim Kodamoja, he never said it anywhere. Mimia, saying I'm a person of crabby, and then you are saying, dear me, Nama Gay Yami, and no. Now, let's go to Mrs. Florence Obini. Mrs. Florence Obini, when you are Casa or Mayimu. And rather unfortunate or out no beka asemi una bo Kennedy Japan wada Roma enti de waya obini mu ene de wo se obini e de ya na yire Florence obini mu enti Florence obini ne wonya omobo ni bi so asemu anti wo se Florence obini ni anda we kwese no wo de beba beto abontin una bo e braso ni pehia moa sade wo ye adoye Emma man send you who say, oh, ya do and no sa, and a year. And no sa, and a gun a year. Said ye, woman, sorry. No, I catch that gun or by say, a by woman yambra. So for be our who must have, and now conform you on the who must have TV so. Mama Ghana, a by Embra Sambrano, or be who must have any panel to the Namodia and far by no. Cannot excess a walk. The honorable Kennedy Japan, wada Roma, come again, wada Roma, come again. Media ma waya ni mu, wa seven prediasa, ujane shi ubi afachami. Nemo asano kreda sabe, o mame o papa hina no na de kade ko yifri wa, na no ntia sese wa bo papa. No kre, ebe de be ka kire mu mi eri nyina no. Enti Florence Obini, mami ne hu nyomobo. Florence Obinim eyo ba be me bi onim nyansa be pe Florence Obinim asem ona bokere Japan Florence Obinim ne so bi e na oda ne so no apart from say wo ye ba no akoma ne wo ba wo yire nya amma sabe producer wa wo nchen so ye to wo yira no ne kasa ada no e o sa o ba bi sa ne tse Florence Obinim ye nti na no ne kasa na se sabe producer wa fuma kum na asem na o kan ya wo so wadi watempu no say ya tempo no ankasa no onim na o pese wo gu Florence Obinim mani masia gu Florence ni masia o so ye friend adubi o pese wo gu na ni masia kopem rebe wo ye oba enti wodi honorable na bibi sa ase wo te ase no wodi ni ye onimonyamfo enti wo ye ade a forget about the fact say wo sika wo wanim difo a me nimbi ya mo ye wo friend o mutu wo fo nya mo tre na information no yie no more genuine information. Now approach me so in a respectful way. I say what the Ghana air come baby, but not in the way say what attack baby could be because he insulted Nanado. Meaning say, also went back any your mama temo. Well, couldn't papa with him and so on can. Also went by a criminal by with him and so on can. You are now on Bishop Obinim because. He insulted you on a fake news you broadcast on him. And now, say what attack you Obini. And you are just jumping on Agrada because when you say Agrada or evil said you walk no. When you believe a brave said you walk no. Then so because say Agrada oh my what's somebody one can be amount no can be my Obini you are rather going to expose Agrada. What will make me believe say and some na wo dey ma afa Agrada ho no bebre enye dey enye fake you say wo do a wo ka for Obinim hu no nyina enye ne nkwada etan no nti anasa wo a wo tan no nti na ade gu na ni mase onabo oda Roma eni die kwan so onabo senase draw wo ne maye na angle na wo fi ba no e mo wo tan Obinim personal ene be ye omode say bia o ye bibia mo so but to me hunu say eya wo dey so be retract say send a video na wo di begu Obinim anim ase say wo so coronavirus adwo na e fake enu ti na wo ye Obinim sa